Hello foodies, today we're making Monggo Guisado. First things first, let's heat oil in a pan and then saute the garlic and the onion. Next, we add in the chopped tomatoes. And the shrimps. Here I used the frozen shrimps. Next, we add some fish sauce and some cracked pepper. And now we add the cooked munggo. Some bitter gourd slices. And then we cover and cook for a few minutes. After that, we can add in the fried tofu. And finally, the malunggay leaves. And we're done! Thank you for watching! Please follow us on our socials. Thank you. Bye!